So he doesn't really like giving kisses. But at least he doesn't bite hard. Oh! If you ever want your lip pierced, this is how you do it for free. Oh, I know. He says enough is enough. He says, I've had enough. I'm sick of you. Okay, 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 okay. You see yourself in the mirror? Oh, look at the bird in the mirror. Look at the bird in the mirror. See, he's happy again. He's cleaning himself. Trying to think of a name for him. Dimitri? Do you like that, Dimitri? Nikolai? Chris? Poopsie? Philip? Edward? Dimitri? You think that's good? Maybe? Dimitri? Aw. Kisser? Singer? Poofy? Belshazzar. Belshazzar. That's what. Belshazzar. Yes, Belshazzar. Oh, I think that's it. Belshazzar. Dimitri Belshazzar. Or should it just be Belshazzar? What about Jehoshaphat? Artaxerxes. Is your foot okay, baby? Oh, he's sleeping. This is good. He feels comfortable. What's the other king's name? He says, stop it. No more kisses. Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar would be good. I like Belshazzar, though. Oh, I really like that. Odysseus? Odysseus? I think it needs something very dramatic. Belshazzar. I like Belshazzar. Oh, Belshazzar. Oh. Dimitri. Dimitri's cute, too. I think I'm stuck between those two. They actually go really well together. Dimitri Belshazzar. Oh. He like grabs onto your lip. Pulls it. We need to wake that doggy. She's feeling left out. You ready? Okay. Signing off with Belshazzar. Do you like it? Dimitri? Because Dimitri sounds like Petrie from Lamb Four Times. Love how I'm talking and he wants to get my out. But he also looks very comfortable. This is good. He's closing his eyes. He feels comfortable. Ugh. He's chewing on the poo on the shirt. Chancho. Chancho. Oh no, don't chew on it. I've been having diarrhea since Easter's. Yeah, look, okay, you know, that is sick. He's chewing on poo and then I'm giving him kisses. Robin Hood. Little John. King Richard. King John. Puffy cheeks. I'm liking Belshazzar. I think